Welcome back to Ramanujan B classes. Today we shall discuss coordinate geometry, the basic concept of coordinate geometry. Geometry is a very important branch of mathematics which unifies algebra with geometry. Today the topic is very important as far as ninth class is concerned. The basic concept will be discussed in coordinate geometry. First of all, René Descartes and Fermat, both were French mathematicians. They gave the idea of coordinate geometry. Credit for this goes to co-founders of this branch of mathematics. In geometry, we shall discuss some aspects of the coordinate geometry. Actually, the idea arose in his mind when René Descartes was lying in his bed and he saw a fly sitting on the ceiling of his room. Then he got an idea about the location of a point, how we can locate a point in a plane. Then he gave us an idea: two axes mutually perpendicular. These are mutually perpendicular to each other. This is known as XO x dash. This is YO y dash. These two axes, this one is known as x axis, or you can name it horizontal axis. Horizontal axis or x axis. This is vertical axis. You can name it y axis as well. So a point is there. Point is written specific order like this. This is first number, this is second number. This is known as ordered pair. What is ordered pair? You will study in higher classes. This is written, if we write B and A, both are not one and the same thing. Both are not one and the same thing. See, what is the function of these two axes? These two axes divide a plane into four parts. This is known as first quadrant, and this one is second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrants are there. For example, we are given a point P. This is the point. It means this point is located in first quadrant. See, this point is at some distance from y-axis. This is perpendicular distance. This point is at a certain distance from x-axis. This is known as abscissa. Distance of a point from y-axis is known as abscissa. This is abscissa, or you can say it x-coordinate. Abscissa, x-coordinate. ABSCISS, abscissa. And this is perpendicular distance from x-axis. किसी भी point की x-axis से perpendicular distance ordinate कहलाती है. Ordinate, or in other words you can say y coordinate. This is x coordinate, this one is y coordinate, and point P is located in first quadrant. This is the abscissa, and it means this is abscissa, this is ordinate, and if we take together, then it becomes coordinates of a point. Coordinates of point means some abscissa is there, some ordinate is there. When we take it together, then we write coordinates of a point. See, this is the first quadrant. In first quadrant, abscissa is positive, ordinate is also positive. When we switch over to the second quadrant, this is the negative value of x. This is the positive value of x. Negative value of x, positive value of x. This is 0. Origin is 0. 0 to right hand side, x is positive. 0 to left hand side, x is negative. 0 to upward, y is positive. 0 to downward, y is negative. This is positive value x, negative value of x. Positive value of y, negative value of y. In second quadrant, x is minus, y is plus. Abscissa is negative, ordinate is positive. When we talk about third quadrant, x is negative, y is also negative. Both are considered as negative in third quadrant. When you switch over to fourth quadrant, this is x, x is positive and y is negative. In simple words, you can memorize plus plus, minus minus, minus plus, plus minus. These are the basics things which you must know about coordinate geometry. Then we shall learn how to locate, how to draw a graph. Once more, I must let you know, this is horizontal axis, parallel to earth is horizontal axis, and this one is vertical axis, y axis. These two axes are mutually perpendicular to each other and divides a plane into four quadrants. This plane is known as Cartesian plane. This is known as Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane, or you can name them rectangular axis. Rectangular axis, or you can say simply axis. AXIS, if you write this is singular, this one is plural, AXES. Cartesian plane, rectangular axis. So this is the very basic idea of coordinate geometry. I think this is clear to you.